made an activity in Autograph that I want students to do for homework. When you set them up, just make sure that everything's set up in the way that you want them to see it. So, for example, the step size, if they're changing the constants, I've got a constant C and I've made sure my step size is 1 and I want to start at 37. So, I need to save this, and remember when you save it, it has to be one word with no spaces. So I've got it Lin Prog, and it saves it as an AGG file. Now I'm going to go to Study Smart, and I'm going to upload this file into the files on my course. So if I open up Files and then open up the folder that I want to put it in, and if I upload a file, browse, and then find my Autograph file, so open and then upload this file. Now I want to save the shortcut to this, so the address. So if I right click over there, I'm going to copy the shortcut, and then using Notepad I'm just going to paste that shortcut here so that I've got it for later. So I'm going to minimize that, and if I go back to my Study Smart page, and I'm going to set up or go to add a resource and compose a web page. So if I give it a name, I'll call it Autograph Investigation, and I'm going to leave the summary blank, and then in the section here where it says full text, we need to write the instructions here, so telling students what they need to do. So I've prepared some instructions here, so I'm going to copy and paste those in. And then I'm going to turn on the toggle HTML source button. And then if I just move my cursor, now if I need to now go back to my Autograph file. So if I bring that up, and if I go to File and Export to Web Page, now the first bit here, the description about the activity, won't embed into Study Smart, so that's why I've had to write it in myself. If I go to the theme is also irrelevant, it won't embed, but what I need is the Options tab, and I need to copy the code that's here. So if I select it all, and then if I right click and copy that, I'm just going to make a note of the width, which is 640, and the height, which is 480. Then if I go back to Study Smart, and then I'm going to paste in that code, and there's a couple of things I need to change. So I've got the name of the file here and a little bit further down, and I need to change that and replace it with the address, the Study Smart address for the file. So if I select that and then copy, and then being quite careful here, so I want to leave in the apostrophes, so if I just delete that and carefully paste it in, and then a little bit further down there's another address that I need to delete and replace. And then if I undo the toggle button, I can see my activity. So if I scroll down and do new window and save and return.